Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you this 2019 Nautique G23. This particular one, obviously we did a little black, and then we did a nice medallion metal flake along the sides. So, good looking boat. Let's go on the inside and take a look. Welcome to the inside of the boat. The G23 is a 16-person boat. You've got nice round wraparound seating. You've got a nice backrest here that can also be folded down to a full bench seat. But this is a great way to do that. And then you have the bench seat that pops up here. Can be lifted up. Everybody can be sitting back watching the show. Also, with the 2019, wanted to mention the tower. This is a brand new tower for 2019. This is the automatic tower. So by the push of a button, this tower will actually go backwards and land right about in this area right in here. So it doesn't get in the way of you driving the boat when the tower needs to go down. We have the JL audios up here. These are the 8.8 with the download lighting in them. We did do the lighting package throughout, so all the cup holders light up, which is kind of nice. Nothing really changed up here. We've got the 12.4-inch link pen array, everything that you need in there. Great Helm seat. Because this is a subfloor ballast system, tons of storage underneath here, tons of storage in the back. G23 is the king. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at this boat and any other Gs that we have.